Alright, so today I got my Homewood package from Justin. I'm really stoked. The fucking sweet box. There's a lot of tape on it, so I'm just gonna cut all the tape and see what's going on the inside. That's not that much tape. Everything's fine. Alright, so there's the inside of it. On-siders for the bench. And then thank you note. Pack of foam and greatness. My deck. This thing looks fucking sweet. Got the bench, and then you got a smokestack shirt. This thing's fucking rad. Alright, well that's pretty much it, I think. I can't wait to set this thing up. That's all I ordered, but I'll show you the deck and stuff, I guess. I almost forgot, because I want to set it up. It looks so fucking cool, man. Alright, so we got that. That's it's the first. Holy shit. Alright, so we got some stickers in there. Piece of tape. Tape feels fucking sweet. Alright. Holy shit, dude. So here's the top ply. Fucking get out of my video. Alright. So here's the top ply. Here's the sides. I don't know if you can fucking see that, but I'll post pictures of it on my Instagram too. This one's a 33. It's got the middle ply is a blue wildwood. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then gray bird's eye on top and bottom. And then there's a purple ply under the top gray and a black ply under the wildwood. This thing's fucking... Alright, switch flip first try. Time to set this thing up. Thanks, Justin. I really appreciate it. It's sweet that you sent me a shirt and all this stuff. Post some pictures on my Instagram after it's all set up, and I can't wait to fucking tear this thing up on the plaza. It's like the realest looking thing for my street plaza with like a grass cap and stuff. So I'm gonna start setting this thing up, and then I'm gonna shred the hell out of it. But yeah, cool. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe. I still have some shit from Big Brother coming, and I'm excited about that too. It's gonna be super sweet. So I'm gonna do all that stuff now, and if you feel like keeping updated, just follow me on Instagram. Make sure you pick up a Homewood too. These things are sweet. This is definitely the main. I can't wait to finally make my Homewood edit now. So I'm gonna do all that stuff, and subscribe if you want, or you can tell me how stupid fingerboarding is in all the comments, because I really care a lot. It's great. Also, have a beautiful time.